how to buy AGENTORA token. So this token came under the symbol of ATAT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token will be listed on MEXC. If you see this post, they pinned it here on the REFERRAL account, or they reposted it. So as you can see, if you click on this post, as you can see, we are thrilled to announce that the AGENTORA AI Kickstart has concluded and the deposit is opened, and ATAT USDT pair trading, it's available now. So if you go to your MEXC account, as you can see, now before going on by this token, if you don't have an account on MEXC, you can find the referral link down in the description. You can create an account on it to benefit from rewards and fund it with some USDT. Now go back to this page, as you can see, and copy the token symbol like that, as you can see. Now after that, go to your account, in the search, paste it, and you will be able to see this pair ATAT USDT. Now click on it. So as you can see, you will be able to see this page. Now click on buy, select the limits, and here you can type how much you want to buy of that token, and here you will be able to see how much you will be paying of USDT. Now click on buy ATAT. Now if you select the market, you can drag this to see how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy ATAT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.